Una rolls 6 standard 6-sided dice simultaneously and calculates the product of the 6 numbers obtained. What is the probability that the product is divisible by 4? First off, we notice that for the product to be divisible by 4, there are many ways for that to happen, and it might be a little complicated to compute. So let's think about, on the other hand, the complement of the situation, which is when the product is not divisible by 4. What happens then? Well, the only way that can happen is either one case when all 6 rolls are odd. Then we will not get a multiple of 4. And then we have another case, our case 2, where we have odd for 5 rolls. And then our last roll, or one of our 6 rolls, is going to be an even number that is not divisible by 4, but is divisible by 2. So that will be either 2 or 6. So these are the only cases that we can get a product not divisible by 4. Let's see what the probability of each case is. First off, the odd numbers in a 6-sided die are 1, 3, and 5. So the probability of rolling an odd number is 1/2. And since there are 6 rolls, we put it to the 6th power. And that is equal to 1/64. And then we have our second case, which is 5 odd rolls, and then one roll that is either 2 or 6. So first, our probability of rolling a 2 or a 6 is 1/3. And that roll can happen in any of the 6 rolls. So we multiply that by 6. And then for the rest of the 5 rolls, we have 1/2 to the power of 5. So ultimately, this product, 1/3 times 6 times 1/2 to the power of 5, will end up being 1/16. Now, adding up the probability of both cases, we are able to get 1/16 plus 1/64, which gives us 5/64. Now, since we want the complement of this to find the probability that the product is divisible by 4, we just do 1 minus 5/64, which is going to give us 59/64 as our final answer, and that is answer choice C.